With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So today our question is, if sec alpha minus tan alpha equals to p and cosec alpha plus cot alpha equals to q, then express p in terms of q and also q in terms of p. So let's start with the solution. So we are given sec alpha minus tan alpha equals to p. Okay, so from here we can write sec alpha equals to p plus tan alpha. So after taking square on both sides, we can write sec square alpha equals to p plus tan alpha whole square. From here we can write sec square alpha can be written as 1 plus tan square alpha, and this side will be equals to a plus b whole square is a square plus b square, which is tan square alpha plus 2p tan alpha. Since this we have written, since we know that sec square alpha minus tan square alpha is equals to 1. Okay, now from here we can see that tan square alpha and tan square alpha gets cancelled, so we get 1 equals to p square plus 2p tan alpha. So therefore from here 1 minus p squared is equals to 2p tan alpha. So from here we can write tan alpha is equals to 1 minus p squared divided by 2p. Okay, now let this be question number 1. Now also we are given in the question cosec alpha plus cot alpha is equals to q. So this also can be written as cosec alpha equals to q minus cot alpha. Okay, now taking square we can write cosec square alpha is equals to q minus cot alpha whole square. Now we know that cosec square alpha minus cot square alpha is equals to 1. So from here we can write cosec square alpha in terms of cot will be equals to cosec square alpha will be equals to 1 plus cot square alpha. This will be equals to a minus b whole square. So this will be q square plus cot square alpha minus 2q cot alpha. Okay, now from here also cot square alpha and cot square alpha gets cancelled. So we get this taken this side, 1 minus q squared is equals to minus 2q cot alpha. Now in order to cancel the minus, we can write taking minus common from this side will be q square minus 1 will be equals to 2q cot alpha, because the minus and minus will get cancelled. Okay, now from here we can write cot alpha will be equals to q square minus 1 divided by 2q. Okay, now if I want to write in terms of tan, we know that cot alpha is equals to 1 by tan alpha. So therefore tan alpha, the value of tan alpha can be from here will be equals to 2q by the inverse of this value, which is 2q by q square minus 1. Now let this be equation number 2. Okay, now we will equate equation 1 and 2. So equating equation 1 and 2, we get tan alpha is equals to 1 minus p square divided by 2p is equals to 2q divided by q square minus 1. So from here we get cross multiplicating, we get 1 minus p square into q square minus 1 is equals to 4pq. Okay, now this will be equals to q square minus 1 minus p square q square plus this minus minus plus p square will be equals to 4pq. Now 4pq can be written as 2pq plus 2pq. Now we can write this as p square q square plus 1 plus 2pq is equals to q square plus p square minus 2pq. Okay, we have just split the 4pq in two parts. So one is in the LHS and one is in the RHS. Okay, now and we have changed the sides. So accordingly we have put the signs of positive and negative. So now this is clearly p plus q whole pq plus 1 whole square, and this is pq, and this is q minus p whole square. Okay, from here we can write pq plus 1 is equals to will be equals to plus minus q minus p. Okay, so from here we can write pq plus 1. When we take the value as positive, this will be equals to plus q minus p, taking positive value. Okay, from here we can write pq plus 1 equals to q minus p. So this will be equals to, now if I take the p this side, we get pq plus P is equals to Q minus 1. Now we can take P common from here. So P Q plus 1 equals to Q minus 1. So we get the value of P is equals to Q minus 1 by Q plus 1. Okay. Now similarly, we can write PQ plus 1 equals to Q minus P. So now if we take the Q this side, PQ minus Q equals to minus P minus 1 will be equals to, now we can take Q common. So Q will be Q into P minus 1. This will be minus of P plus 1. Now if we take the minus common from this side, we get Q into 1 minus P, and this minus will get cancelled, will be P plus 1. Okay. So this will be Q will be equals to 1 plus P divided by 1 minus P. So we have got the values of P and Q for the positive value. Now taking the negative value, we get PQ plus 1 equals to minus of Q minus P, which is equals to minus Q plus P. Okay, PQ plus 1. So from here we can write PQ, if I take the Q in the LHS, so PQ plus Q is equals to P minus 1. Okay, so if I take the Q common, this will be P plus 1 equals to P minus 1. So the value of Q we get is P minus 1 divided by P plus 1. Okay. Now similarly we can write PQ plus 1 equals to minus Q plus P. Now if we take the P this side, we get PQ minus P equals to minus Q minus 1. So from here we can take P common. P into Q minus 1 will be equals to minus taken common. This will be Q plus 1. So now if I take the minus common from this side also, we can write this as P into 1 minus Q, and the minus will cancel. The minus will be cancelled. So this will be Q plus 1. So we get the value of P is equals to Q plus 1 divided by 1 minus Q. Okay. So therefore we have got the values of P and Q by taking the negative value. So this is the required answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.